Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your favorite music band with Gnoosic.com. So you can access Gnoosic.com from your browser, and this is the Gnoosic. Welcome to Gnot's World of Music. So this is the brief or the introduction. Gnot is a self-adapting system that learns about the older world by asking its visitors what they like and what they don't like. In this instance of Gnot, all is about music. So this kind of search engine for music you don't know about. So just click to continue. And here we go. To teach Gnot what you are like, please type in 3 bands that you already know and like. So for example, one of my favorite band is Arctic, for example, this one. And one of my favorite bands, another one, let's say this one. And the third, let's start with some of the classic one. Then click to continue. And based on your choices, Gnot predicts you might like the music of Miles Kane. So if you feel you don't know this artist or musician, you can try to click to I don't know. And another recommendation for you is the Fretlist. So yeah, I like it. So click this I like it. And based on your choices, Gnot predict you might like the music of Melting Palms, so you can start to listen this Melting Palms music video on YouTube. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well as button below. See you in the next video.